Oh my goodness, it is so smoky out there right below my feet. This is not cloud coverage. This is wildfire smoke. Thick, dense wildfire smoke that's just pouring in from Canada. The northern part of the United States, the air quality is absolutely terrible. Any extended period of time outdoors, mask up because you don't want to have to deal with that. The air quality, let's take a look behind me, is just terrible this afternoon as well, especially across Minnesota and far eastern North Dakota, Fargo right now. It's looking at really high particulate matter in the air, which means you are breathing in all of the nastiness from the trees that are currently burning down. And did you know that wildfire smoke is actually worse for you than cigarette smoke because of the concentration of particulate matter? And that really thick smoke is going to continue to make its way across Minnesota and then continue to actually make its way across the central United States. It could push as far south, Reed, as Texas by Tuesday and Wednesday. So everybody in the central United States is going to be seeing that wildfire smoke.